5 Best 3D Printing Pens. Number 5. AIO Robotics Premium. Part number, PR1002. Number of items, 1. UPC, 6378017811656. Brand name, AIO Robotics. 5 different printing speeds. Item weight, 13.6 ounces. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. Soin Standard. 3D printing pen is light and slim. Matter creating 3D models. Doodling or drawing interesting things. Allowing you to literally draw in 3D. Directions are straightforward. 1-year limited warranty. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. MYNT 3D Professional. Watch imagination come to life. The Professional 3D Pen. 1 degree temperature adjustments. Includes 3 colors of ABS plastic. Brand name, MYNT 3D. 1-year limited warranty. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. SPOS M1. Hottest gift for kids or adults. Decent and stylish 3D pen. Advanced intelligent chip. Available in 3 colors. Item weight, 6.56 ounces. Warranty, 6-month replacement. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. 3Doodler Create. Latest features also include simplified new ambient light bar, allowing you to literally draw in 3D. Change colors quickly and easily. From hobbyists to crafters. Draw in 3D for hours. Please check the description for detail and price.